Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel PPT subscription. Okay, so basically when you make a purchase on their website, they will activate subscription on your account if you choose option by mistakenly subscribe and save. Okay, when you purchase subscription, you will receive automatic or repeated deliveries, you know very well. And some of the users are facing same kind of problems and they are not able to cancel their subscription. It's really hard to cancel. So how you can cancel it? Basically there are two methods by which you can cancel. The first one method is a little bit hard and the second method is like very easy. Okay, and if we talk about like how to cancel it, so basically what you have to do, you can see over here there is a note like if you want to cancel your subscription, then you can do it anytime. But when you receive your order confirmation email, there is a link. By using the link you can manage your subscription, and you can cancel, you can pause, you can do whatever you can, whatever you want, you can do this all the things. Okay, but you need to navigate the link, and the link is in the you can say like in the very bottom side when you place your order, when your order is confirmed. Okay, so this procedure is little bit hard for you can say like some users. But if you are not a technical person, if you don't know how to cancel it, so you can do one thing that is very easy. You can compose an email. In the email you need to write in the subject box like you would like to request your subscription with the PPT, and in the body you need to provide your name, your account number, subscription details, starting date, end date. You need to provide at least 5 days notice period, like 5 days prior to your next billing date. And in the body you need to provide reason why you want to cancel, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation in the written form. Okay, and once you done each and everything, you need to send this email at their email address. The email address is like support@ppt.com. okay, so this is the email address before your next billing date. Okay, so when you send your email, they will receive your email and they will cancel your subscription by their end. And if we talk about like if you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is still active. You need to keep in touch with the customer support regarding your proof of cancellation. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your PPTT. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.